way before we even had the conversation about Marino. It already existed in my head. So it was just a matter of bringing it to sketch paper and start drafting. Designing the Marino series, everything has to be intentional. Angles, lines, corners, just like in motorsports, where every part has a purpose. Mein Name ist Moritz Merkert und ich bin Designverantwortlicher bei ZLINE. The range is our most popular product. What we've decided is to reimagine the design and the cooking experience. While the Marino series is completely new, we wanted to take the experience that people know, but to make it more enjoyable. We took advantage of the most advanced technologies to produce our product. For example, we use PVD coating for all of our finishes. We use energy-efficient glass to retain heat in the cavities. And we've also included our most efficient and most powerful burners, the Duo Pro. Design affects so much of your daily experience. I find myself inspired by performance parts that are purpose-built. The use of different materials and finishes paired with precision is something worth admiring. Once Marino moved beyond concept, our biggest challenge was manufacturing capabilities. Take the handle as an example. Most industry products use stock material. We shaped the handle with the user experience in mind. The controls are creating a whole new interaction and experience with the ZLINE range. The lights contribute to the product's visual language, but also communicate status and provide information. With the Marino door being almost entirely constructed out of glass, it was important for us to have smooth transition from glass to stainless. And frankly, adding to this, the beautiful tint of the glass gives a nice contrast. Marino found its true design identity when every single component merged into a cohesive concept. Our classic ranges defined a category. I believe the Marino series will have a long-lasting impact for ZLINE and the way we develop products. Marino redefines how attainable luxury can look and feel.